Welcome to our library Makerspace. A Makerspace is a collaborative workspace for making, learning, exploring, and sharing that uses high-tech to no-tech tools. Our space has no technology and is unstructured, which means students are not given a particular task to create. It is organized by categories in clear bins with clear lids. Students take a bin and then put it back when finished. They are able to create through hands-on experimentation, inspiring curiosity and interest. Their own ideas are used to build an abstract construction and design. This process allows students to experiment, test, evaluate, and modify, all through play. They learn from their failures, allowing them to translate this into the real world, to not become discouraged or frustrated when things do not go as planned. Makerspace provides an opportunity to learn something new in an alternate way. In this way, they are practicing how to focus. When they are solving issues, students no longer have to imagine how that solution occurs. Since they have all of the materials in front of them, it is easier to focus on understanding the concepts and seeing how they apply. Many skills can also be developed through playing board games. Here, students are interacting face-to-face, which our young people are not practicing enough with their high-tech lifestyle. With our English language learning population, this also aids in language acquisition. Students are learning how to play fair, lose and win gracefully, and develop their social skills in person. Coloring is part of our Makerspace as the benefits help students to achieve academic and behavioral success. Stress and anxiety levels have the potential to be lowered. Focusing on the present helps students achieve mindfulness, and unplugging from technology promotes creation over consumption. And of course, as you can see, Makerspace is so much fun and a respite from the typical secondary school day that does not involve much free play. Okay, so where to start with your setup? Ask your school community, both teachers and parents, to donate their junk to your library. Some of the donations really are junk, but most of the items are absolutely fantastic. Beads, toilet paper rolls, water bottles, old clothes can be used as cut-up fabric, art supplies, scissors, and random exciting supplies you might never have even thought of. It is truly surprising to see what people have at their house and are willing to bring you. I also recently started to buy manipulatives from Scholastic with my Scholastic Book Fair dollars, various stem blocks, and building materials. Some things I have learned: do not put stamps out because students stamp all over their skin and then leave the library to go to their classes looking silly. Expectations must be reviewed before initial use and each and every time, because students get so excited and do not clean up and put away materials and close the lids on the bins. Even when expectations are given, students will still try to not clean up and evacuate the area when Makerspace time is over. When not enough clean time is given, most students will leave the area a mess when the bell rings for the next class. When you are serving an entire school, it becomes difficult to keep track of which students did not clean properly and cannot participate in their next Makerspace time. Use clear containers and lids so that students do not have to open and shuffle through the box's materials too much to see what the bin has inside. Makerspaces have their time and place and a successful curriculum, and our students absolutely love this special space.